Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the gotv Ghana customer care representative's number. So if you are to activate a new gotv decoder, or you are facing some difficulties on your gotv decoder and you would like to contact them for help, the number will be highlighted on your screen shortly. But for you to actually ask for any gotv related either product and services, to make an inquiries about their product and services, they will never ask you for the IUC number or the smart card number of your decoder. But if you are to solve any problem related to your gotv decoder, they want to request for the IUC number, which will enable them to help you clear some error or help you out with any problem that you are facing on your gotv decoder. So with this IUC number, you're going to find it at the back of your decoder. They used to place some stickers over there that have the IUC number or the smart card number of your decoder. So you note it down before calling them for help. Definitely they're going to ask you for the IUC number. And if you can't find it over there, maybe it has faded off or there is no sticker on your gotv decoder, you pick up your gotv remote and then you look for the gotv button, which is the gotv menu or the logo. You press on the menu, which is the green button on it, and from the menu here, use the arrow top and down key and then search from the list, put it on Information Central, and you press OK. So Information Central, on this page we have first on the list, which is the IUC number of your decoder. So this is the most important number that you need to provide for them to help you out with any problem that you're having related to your gotv decoder. So that's it. You pick the number up and then you call. And gotv and DSTV is part of multi-choice. So if you have the DSTV number is the same as the gotv, you can call the DSTV number and they're going to help you out with your gotv programs. So that's it. If you are to call them, you need to have enough airtime before you can proceed to call. They're going to deduct at a normal calling rate, so you have to be aware of it before calling them. And they don't normally work on weekends, so on Sundays you are not likely to get them to help you out, so never call them on Sundays. If this video has been helpful, all you have to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, you share on other social media platform, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, and any social media platform that you can share it over there, and then you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.